Good day everyone, my name is MJ Marin Patio and this is my presentation for my slide designs. So for this project, I have used the ad campaign of the Adidas brand, in which I think everyone of us is very familiar with. So this campaign that was created by the Big Now advertising agency in Milan, Italy. It was designed to give motivation to the consumers that their brand is not just another clothing line company. It also served as to promote that their brand is not just another sports club of sort, but it is for bettering yourself. As we can see on the design itself, it says that this is fun taken seriously. This is about being your better self, which I think is a really bold statement to make and quite amazing, to be honest. You can also tell that with the design, it only uses a few elements and it's real simple and it's very straightforward. First thing that I want to talk about as well for this time is the alignment. It is one of the principles of design, and as you can obviously see that the design used a center alignment for all of its elements, for the text and also for the logos. The other thing that I want to discuss is the typography. So this ad used a sans serif type of font, and actually when I was doing recreating the design, I tried using a serif font to just try and see how it looks like, but it doesn't really look that well. So I think the perfect font or typeface to use here is sans serif. Also, if you can notice that the spaces between each letters, I think that really gave it a very distinct look. Another one that you can see is the proximity of each element in the design: the main headline, the sub-headline, and then the logo itself. It has enough white space between each of them, and I think that really gave it a really good look. It's really clear and also gave you a really clean look for the design. Also, if you notice here, the proximity between the Adidas logo and the Adidas runner logo has a good amount of distance, and even though they are different shape, they are about the same size, in which I think that if you look at it that way, you can tell the relationship between each of them. So here's my own ad that I recreated. Of course, I used the principles that was discussed earlier. First off is definitely the alignment. Without the alignment, I think it will definitely not become a part of the ad campaign. Second is of course the typography. I tried looking for the exact one, but I wasn't able to, but I found a very similar one. Then lastly, the proximity. I tried to match this one exactly as the original one, so that I'll be able to give that same feeling on the very original ad. Overall, this is the design that I have made. I use, of course, a background, an image for a background, and since the image is quite light, I use a gradient to darken it out with less opacity so that the text would pop out even more. Also, again, I used a font that is very similar to the original one, and then a statement, of course, that goes along with the ad campaign. So there you have it. This is it for all my design. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you have a good one.